welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a get ready with me on this makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, to see more makeup videos, get readies with me, how I do my hair, because I'm going to be doing a lot more related like beauty videos just because I know you guys enjoy them. Also, today's video is sponsored by Dossier. If you guys have been with me for a while, I talk about Dossier all the time, and a girl loves to smell good, okay? I've actually been keeping one of these in my car because this one is Citrus Green Apple, and I talked about this scent before, but I just wanted to mention it again because it's one of my favorites. What they do is they create a lot of designer dupe perfumes for a fraction of the price. Most of their bottles are around like $29, and it's not as bad as paying like a big buck for like designer perfumes. They also create the perfumes with no like extra markup from like the packaging. It's very still good quality considering they don't mark up the price for it. Dossier also has a risk-free system where if you order a perfume and you don't end up liking it, there's always forever free returns and exchanges. So make sure you guys check it out. If you guys end up buying 3 or more bottles, you guys can save 25% off, I'm pretty sure, and get free shipping. And if you guys actually want, you guys can use my discount code right here. I will leave the scent that I'm using right now down below with the link in the discount code, so if you guys want to check it out, there you go. Now let's get into the video. I'm just gonna start off with my skincare first, and if you guys want to check out my skincare video, I will put it right here so you guys can go watch that. Here's my little collection. I literally just cleaned this out as well because I had so many Fit Me concealers in here that were like old, dirty, and done. These are all fairly brand new. I just bought these if you guys watch my vlog. The e.l.f. Camo Concealer was like my favorite for so long, but if you want a higher coverage, I highly recommend this. This is my favorite concealer as of right now. This is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm going to take the shade 20 in the Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just putting this all on my face. I'm just using this basically as a foundation. We're going to take a wet beauty blender here and just blend it all out. And you will see just like how beautiful this looks. As you guys can see, it kind of matches my neck. Sometimes I do bring it down lower. Okay, so this is how it's looking currently. So now I'm going to take the other concealer that I mentioned here, and I try not to use a lot of this. This is very, very thick. I'm just gonna dot a few because a little goes a long way with this concealer. Now I'm just going to blend it all out. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Like, this is a blending really, really pretty. So this is my favorite trick, okay? I have been loving this e.l.f. monochromatic multi-stick. I'm going to show you guys how I put it on my face so that your makeup could look very seamless. So obviously we're going to put some on our cheek here. I like it to be pretty pigmented, so I'm going to blend it out, probably add a second layer. So put some on my nose here, on my chin, on the ends of my eyelids here, and right here on my forehead. So I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. If you want your makeup to look good in pictures, do your makeup on an iPhone camera, okay? You do your makeup on there and you will see what shows up and what does not show up on a camera. Trust me, your photos are gonna come out like 10 times better, okay? These are my all-time 2 favorites. This is the RCMA Original No Color Powder. It's amazing. No flashback. Makes your skin look gorgeous, okay? If you guys have been watching my vlogs more recently, I have been using this one. So it just all kind of depends on what look you want. So this gets really messy. That's why it's in a little Ziploc. I'm just putting some product on here, and we're just going to tap all of this in. So I usually start with my under eyes first. And just look at how smooth that's like sitting. And I like to powder my eyebrow area, my eyes. I hate shiny eyebrow. They rub off really, really easily. I'm just gonna take a fluffy powder brush here, and I'm just gonna wipe this off right away. So this is the Precisely My Brow by Benefit, the best eyebrow pencil ever. Like, I'm telling you guys, get this one, okay? So before I start on my eyebrows, I always brush my eyebrows out. I just take a little angle brush, and instead of using the concealer that brightens my under eye, I actually use the same concealer that is the same shade as like what I use for technically my foundation. I have a little brush like this. It's like thick, it's not like super soft. Right here to contour my nose. I fluctuate between these two palettes or bronzers here. I like the contour shade in this palette, but I think I like the color this one gives me more than that bronzer. So I usually do my nose contour pretty messy, and that's just because I know I can fix it later. Then, you know, you're gonna just do the little line. I'm actually going to take a fluffy little brush like this. Hopefully there's no residue on this. And we're just going to lightly brush this on. I'm gonna go in and bronze my whole face with this bronzer here. I don't think I'm very specific about my bronzer because I just don't think I really have to be too specific. So just going to lightly bronze. Do you see how like we're bronzing and now it's kind of like matching here? I don't think they make this anymore. This is by MAC. This is the color Margin, and it looks like this. It's really pretty and it's shimmery. I'm just going to use this as a mid-tone blush on my face, and then I'm gonna go in with like the way more pigmented pinky blush. But we're just going to use that here. There's like little sparkles in it. I'm also gonna put some on my nose. Now we're gonna be taking this Marbled Light blush by Ciate London, and it looks like this. It's very pink and pigmented, so just a little dabs in there. This is gonna give you more color, whereas that one was kind of just setting the base for like the pop of pink in your cheek. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm literally going to put powder at the end of it, like that on the sides of my nose. Just clean up a little bit. Okay? We're gonna do this side as well. But we're also going to do our little bottom of our nose, just like that, and also the bridge. So now I'm gonna wipe it off. Whoa, looks a lot cleaner, hopefully. And then I'm going to also take the Il Makiage long wear eye pencil. I'm going to tight line the top of my waterline so that this hides the lashes a lot better, and it just kind of like smooths out like your eyeliner too and blends it all really well. Okay, so do you see the difference? Like this eye is looking a lot more defined than it is on the side. So one thing about this is it is going to transfer down, which for me, I don't mind, just because I don't mind it looking really light and pretty right now, and then later when it smudges down, like I don't mind that look either. Now we're gonna do eyeliner. And eyeliner, I don't even know how to explain this. It's different every day. I just kind of just go based off of what I'm feeling. This is the middle of my eye, right? So from the middle right here, I literally just take a line and go straight from there out and meet it, and then that's pretty much how I do it. gonna go in with the same contour shade here, this little brush, and I'm just going to shadow in right here. So you see here, you can see my little line here, and then for this one you can't as much. So that's basically where I'm putting shadow. I'm gonna take a little brush like this one. So this is the Foil Play Cream Shadow in the shade Beauty Buzz, and it's like this. It's actually cream. It's so pretty, and I use this for a lot of my makeup looks. I'm just gonna take some on the brush and put that in my inner corners here. Oh, I need a little more product. And I just like to work it up like that. Now with all the residue that's on here, I do my nose highlight with this. So I just, do you see that? Look how pretty that is. And then just in the middle here. And I like blend this out with my finger, my Cupid's bow here. I use a telescopic carbon black, or this is not the carbon black one, but the telescopic mascara for my bottom lashes, because look how thin this brush is. It's amazing. It's amazing. See how this is like making my eye look really big? Going to take all the excess product on this and cover my mouth with freaking concealer, powder, whatever the case is. I'm going to take the shade Free Spirit in the NYX matte lip liner here, and I'm gonna line my lips with this. And I'm going to take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Stockholm. This used to be my favorite shade when I was younger. And we're just gonna put that on. Now I'm going to take the NYX Lingerie. It's in the shade Sizzling. And I'm gonna just dab it in the inner parts of my lips. Look at how pretty the gradient is. I don't know if anyone else has these problems with these lip oils, but their tops, the caps always crack on me. Now we're on to my lashes. We're almost done here. I always feel so bad because I always think that people are thinking I'm gatekeeping my lashes, but I do not know where these specific lashes are from. But they're very small and mini, and I'm pretty sure you can get them anywhere. I will link down the ones I also like to wear, which is like the Kiss Royal Silk ones. Oh, they are amazing. I've had some of you guys purchase them and tell me that they are so good, and I'm telling y'all, they are so good. It's the Becca highlighter, and I think Becca actually went out of like business,